The best piece of advice I've ever been given when it comes to church accounting is you don't want 3 children named Billy. A very common mistake I see a lot of churches make as they set up their accounting is they'll create an account called Youth Ministry Fund, then they'll create a category in their chart of accounts called Youth Ministry Fund, and then they'll create a fund called Youth Ministry Fund. And then when it's time to run reports for a business meeting, they can't make heads or tails of what they're looking at. That's because they use the same term across 3 different functions of their church's accounting. You have to keep in mind that accounts, categories, and funds are 3 separate things. So when you're setting up your church's accounting, create a fund for the youth ministry, but in your categories, specify exactly what the income and expenses are for the youth ministry. And when it comes to your accounts, you can actually simplify things. You can collapse all of the separate checking accounts you've had at your church into one and divide that money up into your different funds and use the funds to track what the money has been designated for at your church.
All of a sudden, things started to make sense.
So if you want your church's financial reports to make sense, don't use the same name across all of your church's accounting. Don't name all 3 of your kids Billy.